In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Capcut using the application on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up Capcut on my device, and then I'm going to click on a project I'd like to take a screenshot from. So I've got this video here that I'd like to take a screenshot from. But off the bat, one thing you need to note, there is no button to take a screenshot using the mobile application. But if you go on Capcut PC, you can take a screenshot. I've just done a video on how to do that, but I've noticed on the app you cannot take a screenshot using the function inside the app. The only way you can do it is to take a screenshot on your device as you normally would, like so. So I'll take a screenshot here. And then what we need to do is edit that screenshot, because you're going to have all the junk here on the bottom. So I'm going to open up this photo on my phone. Now I want to edit this photo. And I'm just going to resize it like so. Make it smaller. Yes, that's the only way to take a screenshot inside a Capcut. I'll go ahead and click save. And now I'm going to keep current resolution. But I've got an option here to increase resolution, so I am going to do that to make the photo stand out a little bit more, or the screenshot. So I'll give that a few seconds to do its thing. And yeah, so that's the screenshot of the still inside Capcut.